And we have Christene Bernard online. Good morning, Christene.
Good morning, Don. How are you?
I'm wonderful. Back from Cancun and ready to roar.
Oh, I'm glad you had a chance to go and visit that wonderful place.
Yes. Have you been there before?
I have. Yes, it's amazing.
Yes, I went to see the pyramids. They call them temples. So they try to correct everybody. No. These are temples. No, these are pyramids.
Oh,
you can call it a temple if you want to, but it's a pyramid.
Thank you for that introduction. I was listening.
Oh, okay.
I appreciate that.
Well, tell our wonderful listeners everything that you do. And
Okay. Well, let me just add to one of the things that you were mentioning about deeds, great grant sale bargain deeds, right of survivorships. I've noticed when I'm preparing some of those deeds for the customers, a lot of people have not prepared a homestead declaration. I'll explain. A homestead declaration protects your home from being seized and sold in the event of a money judgment is entered against you in court. It's a simple document that offers a lot of protection. So any of you who have a home that do not have a homestead, we need to get that done for you. Also, if there's more than one person on the deed, each one of you can declare a homestead so that if you were sued for a money judgment, you're also protected. Both of you, two of you, three of you, how many of you are on the deed, everyone is protected. Some of the other services that I provide are last will and testament, medical and financial power of attorney. Medical power of attorney, you prepare in advance, which means that you declare what you want to happen so that someone else does not have to make that decision in case you're in a position where you cannot speak. The financial power of attorney puts someone in charge of your assets or whatever, and you decide who that person is in case you're in a coma or there's a situation, or in Don's case, we need to get life insurance on a family member.
Right. Well, let me ask you a question real quick, especially on that. When you was talking about the deeds and that other, what was that other? You're talking about
the homestead.
The homestead. Now, to my understanding, the homestead is when you have mechanical liens. Like I said, let's say if an electrician came to your home and you had a dispute with an electrician on repairing your home, but they can also put a lien against your property.
Yeah, they take you to court, they get a judgment, and the judgment, if you don't pay the judgment, this protects you from them attaching your home.
I see.
They may be able to get the money somewhere else, but they can't get your home.
No, I understand. They can't take your home. But let's say if a person, let's say they owe you money or you owe them money, and can they put a lien against your house? Will a homestead protect
Not if you have a homestead. Yes.
Not if you have a homestead. Oh, okay.
Correct. Yes.
So bill collectors basically cannot collect if you protect your property with a homestead.
If you protect your property. And it's very simple to do.
Okay. Well, I'm about to look more into that. I think I already have one, but I do have a trust. And so that's good information. I always was curious about the Homestead Act. It's good to have all the protection you need because, we're talking about things that come up when people don't realize, I should have did this and I should have did that, and it's too late. Now, especially, every day in this city, all over this country, really, people pass away. And the city and the state gets the homes because no one act. They didn't contact you or they didn't act at all. But now the city and the state, the home goes into probate and the family wonders, can we get the house back? But they have to wait years to get the house back.
Yeah, and we can take care of that right now by adding someone to your deed. It's called joint tenant right of survivorship. And just in case you don't have a family member, we can do deed upon death. So once you designate someone that you would like to have the home, We do that document upon your death. They have a death certificate. They take that to the county recorder's office, and the deed is transferred to your name. Therefore, it stays in the family.
Right. And now, if there's no surviving family members, Christene, you can donate it to the church if you like, right? Or to an institution, or to a school, or whatever you feel like. I mean, whatever.
You can designate who you want to have it, so that it doesn't just go any place.
Oh, I see. Well, I'm gonna do like King Tut. I'm taking everything with me, so put everything in. I'm gonna put everything in my temple. I'm gonna put everything in my temple and take it with me. Come back later.
We also offer mobile notary service. That means I come to you, or I come close to you to make it convenient for you. I also prepare LLCs for those of you who want to start a business in 2023 or start a business right now. I can prepare those documents for you as well.
Well, tell the customers.
John, may I give my number?
Yes, I was just going to say, tell our listeners and your future customers how to get in touch with you.
I can be reached at 702-430-2240. That's 702-430-2240. And those of you who have YouTube, we also record these shows on YouTube, so that if there's something that you missed, you can go back and listen and see what it was that you needed. And that's under everythinglegal.com.
Valuable information, Christene. Thank you so much. I'm going to call you later today. I'm going back to my office for the first time in a while. So.
Oh, okay. I look forward to it.
I'm out of vacation mode, so I have to get back to work. You have a wonderful day.
Thank you for having me. We'll
always.
talk soon.
All right, take care.
Bye-bye.
Christene Bernard.